Hello watch fans, Birth Year Watches here, and this time for you we have a 1979 Seiko King Quartz. Now the King Quartz was just down from the Grand Quartz, so we're talking, if it was a car it would be a BMW 5 Series, not a 7 Series. It's maybe the best way of describing it. Now this is in a gold plate or gold cap finish, got the original signed crown. See, the sides are very good, the lugs are good, the plating looks great there, but there are wear signs between the lugs where a strap has rubbed on both sides, and a little bit at the back as well. Now in that photo there you wouldn't have seen it, you wouldn't see it in that photo there. This is why we do the video, to try and explain exactly what the watch is like. So as well as the negatives, we've got the positives. We've got the signed crown with the quartz symbol on there. We've got what is normally rocking horse muck, the original clasp buckle. Try and find another one of those. Now we have also had made at quite some expense a bespoke strap, because this would have been on a strap from new and it would have looked similar to this. We've got the brochure picture on the website, but because it's a 19mm lug and a 15mm strap, we had to have one made especially. But sometimes it's worth the investment. You've got quick set day and date. You can see that the day wheel doesn't quick set. Oh, it does. Sorry. So yeah, day wheel quick sets that way. And that's in kanji. My mistake for that. Sorry about that. I thought it did. And it does. This is available now at birthyearwatches.com. And these high-end quartz watches are now rising in value. If those of you who have been subscribing for a number of years will have seen. I wish I could buy them back at the price I paid for them years ago. Thanks for watching.